This is 11th question. So in this video we will learn question 11 and 12. In these two questions we will learn different properties of a triangle. You can see this is 11th question, A part. Here in this you can calculate angle x of this triangle using two property. First you can calculate x, value of x that is visible to you. This one, if I zoom it, this value of x using angle sum property, or you can apply here how you will calculate the value of x plus 90 plus 30. So 90, this angle 90, this is 30. So third angle you can calculate using angle sum property. 90 plus 30, 120 degree, and 180 minus 120, x will be your, this one, x will be your 60 degree. Okay, here I have done using different property. So what I want to say here, you can using different technique to calculate the value of angles. This is your choice. From my side you are not restricted. In this question, how I calculated the y, this one you can see here, this is the exterior angle, as this side is produced and it is making with this side exterior angle y. So y is the exterior angle of triangle and that is equal to the interior opposite angle. So y is equal to 90 plus 30 degree. You can see here y is equal to 90 plus 30 exterior angle of triangle. So 90 plus 30, 120 degree. So y I calculated by exterior angle. X you can calculate by angle sum property, and you can calculate here in this question I calculated x by linear pair. So your choice, both will give you the same answer. Here this one is a straight line, you can see straight line. So x plus y will be if you add 180 degree linear pair, y you have calculated. So from here x you can calculate by subtracting this one, x is equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So now we are going to calculate z. You can see z is also the exterior angle when this side is produced, and with the side of the triangle z is the exterior, which is equal to the sum of this and this. But another way to calculate it is all the way you will get the same answer. Another way is, this is a straight line also. So x plus z, what I do here, I use here linear pair. X plus z 180 degree, x we have calculated 60 degree. When you transfer it to another side, 180 minus 60, z will be 120 degree. So you are not restricted with any property. You can apply any property whichever you feel comfortable. Let's talk about B part of 11th question. So in this question you can see here we have a triangle ABC in which this is 90 degree, this is 30 degree. So x you can calculate easily using angle sum property. As I have done here, this one, I apply angle sum property. X plus 30 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 30, 120. When you move another side, 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So we have calculated x, that is 60 degree. Now here let's calculate now y and z. This one, z is the exterior angle. Either you can calculate first z or you can calculate y. First let's take this part I am talking about. What I did here, this is the, this one, this side is produced, so this is the exterior angle. 110 will be equal to the sum of this complete angle x plus y and 30 degree, because 110 is the exterior angle. So I just apply this property here. 110 is equal to x plus y plus 30 in sum of interior opposite angle. So you have to calculate value of these two. So 110 plus 30, move another side, will be minus 30. You are getting 80. And x we have calculated 60 degree. So when I will put here x, so y will be 20 degree. 80 minus 60, 20 degree. Here is the y given. Then you can see this is the straight line, and here x plus y plus z is equal to 180 linear pair. So put the value of x and y that you have already calculated. When I will put the value from here z, we are getting 100 degree. So I hope it is clear now. C part, last part of the 11th question. So here you can see the straight line, two straight line, this line and this line intersect each other. When two straight line cut each other, then we are getting a vertical opposite angle. So angle 1 equal to 30 degree, vertical opposite angle. So in this triangle ABC, angle 1 is 30, this angle is 30. Why? You can calculate using the angle sum property, as I have done here. 1 is equal to 30, vertical opposite, please mention this also. Then in triangle ABC, 30 plus y plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. 30 plus 30 is 60. When you will move to the right hand side, 180 minus 60, you are getting here 120 degree. So here y is 120 degree. Now let's apply linear pair in y and z. You can see this is a straight line, this is a straight line. So y plus z is equal to 180, and out of this y is 120 degree. When you move to the right hand side, 180 minus 120, you are getting 60 degree. So we this way we got y z. X is left. X is the exterior angle. Let me erase all. This x is the exterior angle of triangle ADC. So this is equal to the interior opposite angle, sum of interior opposite angle. So x is equal to 30 plus 110, that is 140 degree. So this is the way we will calculate these three angles. Last question of the exercise is very easy question. What we have here, this is the exterior angle. You can see this side is produced and 125 is the exterior angle. So 125 is equal to 65 plus 1. So 65, you will move another side because I want to calculate value of 1. So 125 minus 65, 60 degree is a value of 1. One angle is 65, another is 60. Can't you calculate the third one? By applying angle sum property. 65 plus 60 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree. And here this will give me 125. I will move to the right hand side. 180 minus 125, 55 is the third angle. So I hope now all part are clear to you. This chapter, this exercise is very important. Please do it carefully.